What's going on, creators? In this video, I'm going to show you all how to open a wholesale account for the brand Los Angeles Apparel for your streetwear brand merch line or t-shirt side hustle. Now, there are a few brands that do utilize these blanks for their own streetwear brand, and one of those brands are Unfinished Legacy. Now, if you do not know about the brand Unfinished Legacy, make sure you go and check that brand out. And for those of you that do know about the brand, you already know the quality of their work. Now, with all that being said, let's jump right into the video. But wait. If you like the video, like the video respectfully. Now, if you are starting a clothing brand and you're looking to get these garments for a wholesale price, but you do not have a wholesale license, aka certificate of authority, I'll leave a link down below in the description. Now, if you do have a certificate of authority and you want to open a wholesaler's account with this brand, the first thing you're going to do is click wholesale. Then you're going to click sign up. Then you're going to fill in all the information that is necessary. Then you're going to click I am not a robot. And then you're going to click agree. They'll send you an email letting you know they received your information and they will get back to you. Now, this process can take anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks for them to review your information. Once they do send you an email replying to your request, you will either have an open account or you will not. Now, assuming you were approved to have an open account, you will have full access to all of the wholesale items they have available within their wholesale section. For example, the 1801 garment dye tee is priced at $26 retail, but within their wholesale section, it is priced at $8.85 wholesale. And when it comes to their HF09 garment dye hoodie, priced at $76 retail, when it comes to the wholesale section, it is priced at $37.95. Now, there's no minimum amount that you need to order in order to order through their wholesale section. You can order as less as you want or as much as you want, as long as the items are available for purchase. Now, if you are a consumer of fashion, this brand has a wide selection of basic essentials that you can choose from for both men and women, from their t-shirts, hoodies, and jackets, and other accessories. Also, if you're starting your own clothing brand, they have good quality blanks that you can use with tearaway labels, where you can add your own labels and stand out above the rest. So with that being said, I do recommend Los Angeles Apparel for your streetwear, clothing brand, or t-shirt side hustle. Now, I hope you all are gaining some type of value from this content, and if you are, leave a comment down below. Now, if you want to know more about my top picks if I was starting a clothing brand today, click this video right here. Or if you want to learn more and find out if these t-shirts are worth it or not, click this video right here.